Sukoon, hearing the still sound of Arabic letters. Understand how Sukoon works by recognizing the still original sound of consonants in Arabic words. To pronounce any word in Arabic, we need two parts, a letter and a vowel. Letters provide the consonant sounds, while vowels bring those sounds to life by adding movement and voice. In Arabic, all 28 letters are consonants. This means each letter has a still, basic sound by itself and cannot be fully pronounced without a vowel. For example, the letter mim is just a soft M sound. To say it clearly, we need to add a vowel, like ma, mu, or mi. The letter lam is also a soft L sound. To pronounce it clearly, we add a vowel, like la, lu, or li. Vowels make consonants move and form complete syllables. But sometimes we want to hear the consonant alone, just the pure, still sound without any vowel. That's where the sukoon comes in. Sukoon is a small circle placed above a consonant. The word sukoon means stillness in Arabic. It tells us that the letter has no vowel after it and keeps its sound in its original, still form. In this lesson, we'll use examples where sukoon appears in the middle of words. When sukoon appears in the middle of a word, it is usually surrounded by full vowel sounds, one before it and one after it. This contrast makes the consonant with sukoon stand out more clearly because its sound is cut off sharply and remains still. That's why many learners find it easier to hear and pronounce the still sound of a letter when it comes between two vowels. Sukoon acts like a pause marker. It's not a vowel and doesn't add a new sound. It simply tells you to stop the sound on that letter. Reminder: the sukoon is a small circle placed above a consonant. The word sukoon means stillness in Arabic. It shows that the letter has no vowel after it. It preserves the original, still sound of the consonant. Practice tip: try to pause slightly on the letter with sukoon when saying each word. Example: bint. Say it as bint, keeping the N sound still and clean. Let's look at some Arabic words that contain a sukoon in the middle. These examples will help you hear the original sound of each letter when it carries a sukoon. 1. Shams, meaning sun. The sukoon is placed on the letter mim. This means it's a still sound with no vowel after it. The sound stops briefly before moving on. Listen and repeat after me. Shams, shams. Did you feel the short pause in the middle? That's the sukoon on M. It keeps the sound still. Say the word again. Shams, shams. 2. Mihna, meaning profession or job. The sukoon is placed on the letter ha, making the sound pause briefly with no vowel after it. You'll feel a short stop before moving on. Listen and repeat after me. Mihna, mihna. Did you feel the pause on ha? That's the sukoon freezing the sound in place. Say the word again. Mihna, mihna. 3. Bint, meaning girl. The sukoon is placed on the letter nun. This means the sound stays still with no vowel after it. You'll hear a brief stop before moving to the next sound. Listen and repeat after me. Bint, bint. Did you notice the short pause in the middle? That's the sukoon on letter nun. It holds the sound in place. Say the word again. Bint. bint. 4. Maktab, meaning office. The sukoon is placed on the letter kaf. This means the sound stays still with no vowel after it. You'll hear a brief stop before moving to the next part of the word. Listen and repeat after me. Maktab. Maktab. Did you notice the short pause in the middle? That's a sukoon on the letter kaf. It holds the sound in place. Say the word again. Maktab. Maktab. 5. Dars, meaning lesson. The sukoon is placed on the letter ra, giving it a quick, still sound before moving to the end. Listen and repeat after me. Dars. Dars. Notice the short stop on the letter ra. That's the effect of the sukoon. Say the word again. Dars. Dars. 6. Majlis, meaning gathering or meeting place. The sukoon is placed on the letter jim, which means the sound stays still with no vowel. You'll feel a quick pause before moving to the next syllable. Listen and repeat after me. Majlis. Majlis. Did you notice that still moment on jim? That's the sukoon holding the sound briefly. Say the word again. Majlis. Majlis. 7. Mil'aqa, meaning spoon. The sukoon is placed on the letter lam, which means the sound stays still, with no vowel after it. You'll hear a small pause before continuing the word. Listen and repeat after me. Mil'aqa. Mil'aqa. Can you feel the brief stop on lam? That's the sukoon holding the sound for a moment. Say the word again. Mil'aqa. Mil'aqa. 8. Masbah, meaning swimming pool. The sukoon is placed on the letter sin, which makes the sound pause briefly without a vowel. Listen and repeat after me. Masbah. Masbah. Did you feel the slight stop on sin? That's the sukoon holding the sound still. Say the word again. Masbah. Masbah. 9. Misbah, meaning lamp or lantern. The sukoon is placed on the letter sad, so the sound pauses briefly without a vowel. You'll notice a quick still moment right after. Sad. Listen and repeat after me. Misbah. Misbah. Did you catch the pause on sad? That's the sukoon holding the sound still before moving on. Say the word again. Misbah. Misbah. 10. Yashrab, meaning he drinks. The sukoon is placed on the letter shin, which means the sound pauses briefly without a vowel. You'll feel a quick stop before continuing the word. Listen and repeat after me. Yashrab. Yashrab. Did you feel the stop on shin? That's the sukoon holding the sound still. Say the word again. Yashrab. Yashrab. In the next lesson, we'll begin learning the Arabic vowels, the sounds that bring letters to life. You'll discover how short and long vowels work and how they combine with consonants to form full words. This video is part of the Arabic learning series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your progress. See you next time.